Hi everybody! I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all smiling and enjoying your lovely day. In this following tutorial, I'm going to be showing you on how to use Warudo's music player so you can have some fun with karaoke or just playing some nice music in the background for fun. So, all you have to do is click on the plus button, go to the audio tab right here, click on music player. Now, you can be able to load your music files by clicking on Open Music Folder. All your audio files can be placed right here, and you should be good to go pretty much. You can click over here on Source, click on the music that you want to play. Let's say I want to play this one here. And then you can press on the play button. If you want to stop the audio, you press on stop, and then you can increase or decrease your audio right here. Or it's just straight up mute it if you just want to mute it by clicking on this button here. And pretty much you can be able to play to your heart's content. Now, as for the lyrics, this is under beta for a reason because this isn't going to work for every audio file. So it's kind of, mostly this is great for songs that are in Mandarin or Chinese, but this can work with English or Japanese from what I've seen some demo videos of. So you can have this set to enabled or disabled, and you can click on search online lyrics. Now, depending on the naming of the file, and as well as, just the overall, audio, you can be able, which I recommend making sure to be mindful of the file name. You can be able to have this pop up here and click on the selected song. Now, do keep in mind though that depending on the the naming and all of that, there are going to be different songs that may have like a similar naming to it, so just keep that in mind. It can be a bit of a trial and error, so you can choose whichever one best fits and you can click on OK. Now, I will say again, it may or may not work. Again, it is beta for a reason. If you need further assistance with this, please contact Tiger regarding getting this working on your end. If you're struggling, it's in the, I'll leave the Discord server link in the description below. But pretty much you can adjust the timing offset of the lyrics if you need to adjust it. Like, let's say the lyrics are appearing too early, you can change the offset. You can even have it, of course, I recommend this, setting up to a camera, because where else are those lyrics going to be? So make sure you set up your camera. You can set the font size to make sure if it's big or small. And then you can set the alignment where if it's on the left side, right side, or center of your screen. And then you can position it to either be at the middle, top, or at the bottom of your camera. And then, whoopsies, and then you can even adjust the position as well. So as the lyrics are playing and stuff, you can be able to adjust the offset so that way it's much more refined. And then you can even have a fade, so when it changes, the lyric lines, you can make it so the fade is either slow or fast depending on how you want it. And that's pretty much in a nutshell on how you can be able to get this music player working. And again, if you need further assistance, please join the Warudo Discord server. We'd be happy to help you out. And I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye! Thank you to all my Snowflake members. In case you don't know, I have YouTube membership, so if you want to further support this channel and what I do, then feel free to join the Snowflake members. Otherwise though, just your support means so much to me, and I appreciate every ounce of it. Either way though, with that being said though, hey goodbye bye everyone! I hope to see you guys next time, okay? Bye bye!